grouping functions in 1010 data are called g-functions. As you can see, there are many different types of g-functions. G-functions essentially allow you to define logical order and grouping in a table. You can take a column of data in a 1010 data table, break the column up into different groups, and then compute summary information on each of those groups.
These are similar to tabulations, except they are much faster at scale, more flexible, allow for multi-level aggregation, and you retain the data integrity of your original table. They do have limitations in that the table must already be segmented by the column you want to group by, or be small enough to be compressed into one segment.
The first function I'm going to show you as part of group functions is the gsum function.
This will sum values within a given group.
Next is the gucount function. It returns the number of distinct values within a given group.
This could help me with a problem I'm working on. I'm trying to calculate the number of unique baskets at each of our stores for weekdays and weekends.
It will definitely help with that.
I need to perform a basket analysis, and I think group functions might be able to help. I need to calculate the total spent on baskets that contain bananas.
Yes, as a matter of fact, there is a group function for this. It's called the GOR function. You can use it to identify groups that contain certain values in any of the rows that make up that group.
That's great. I can calculate the total sales per basket by using gsum, and then tabulate to get the average sales per basket per day. This is really helpful.
I'm glad that you find g-functions helpful. They certainly are powerful. The g-first1 function is particularly useful for performing row selections.
I'll perform a row selection and use the g-first1 function in the expression editor, grouped by customer, and the order can stay as currently displayed. That was a very quick way to reduce the table size if we only care about analyzing totals and not individual entries.
We are now going to turn our attention to the shifting functions within group functions. These allow you to return the value of the row that is a specified number of rows before or after the current row within a given group. Let's start by looking at the grshift function, which is the row shift function. The gtshift function allows you to return the value of the row that is a specified number of time periods before or after the current row within a given group.
That's really neat. What a simple way to deal with time series data.